Hello and welcome to Automation Masters. I am Sojinga SNG, the CEO and founder of Automation Masters, and also the CEO and founder of a company I'm going to be talking about, which is one of our very exciting project called Socialite. Now, Socialite is one of its kind in the world. It is a high productivity social media tool. We literally have our own social media platform where you can be able to socialize, be able to invite friends, post status, comment on other people's status, have engagement, and also post videos. And also, because it is such an interesting tool that comes with AI, we've got our Socialite AI tool with Aura, which will then help you to post automated pictures. So you can create pictures with AI from scratch. So whatever idea that you could be having, you can literally generate it with a few words. Literally, you can say, I want a picture of a beach in Dubai. I want a picture of a garden of roses. Anything you're looking for, you are now able to literally create that picture and post it. Why do we have this tool embedded on our platform? Is the fact that not everybody has quality content that they can produce online and share. Now you don't have to worry about anything. We got you. Okay, so you can now be able to post pictures just like any other person. You can create AI models from scratch, create them from your imagination and post them and share content literally from the comfort of our platform, meaning you can now create or generate AI pictures on our platform and be able to download them as your own and be able to even sell it on other platforms as your own intellectual property. This is an exciting development into the future of socializing on any social media platform. Not only that, we've got a very interesting tool that allows you to literally from a thought be able to create a spark and share it on our platform. So if you're looking into just only creating a text and sharing it online, you can't be able to now use sparks. A spark, just like an idea or a thought that comes through, just like a spark firing through, you're sharing it into the platform and you are now able to influence other users on the platform. And if you don't have any creative ideas that are coming just like sparks like that, worry not, we got you. Socialite AI will now be able to help you create your own AI powered sparks. So you just decide in any field or industry, we've categorized them. It could be daily motivation, daily devotion, it could be business, fitness, sports, DIY, and you just select that field. And then after that, you click on generate, automatically create a spark for you. And if you like it, you click post, and then you literally have got a spark that is shared on our Socialite platform. These are exciting features that we have, and also you're able to enjoy our beautiful designed user interface, which is very easy to follow. You're able to post status, and we also have added a feature where you are now able to also upload videos on our platform. And now with videos, you're able to upload from 1 second to all about 10 minutes long type of videos right now. So we will be able to grow as the time goes, but right now we've got 10 minutes, and of which it's one of the best in the world to start with 10 minutes. Most platforms will literally start with 30 seconds, then 60 seconds, then 3 minutes, then 5 minutes. But we've been able, to raise capacity of our cloud computing and spacing, cloud storage, to ensure that you get to experience a cool platform where you are able to create content and store it safely on the cloud. Now, talking about safety and security, there's a lot of encryption that protects your data on our platform, so you don't have to worry about anyone intercepting your communication, be it when you're sending messages to your friends, your colleagues, or with all the pictures that you have. Everything is securely stored with proper encryption on the cloud, so nothing can be able to harm your data. It is safely secured, and we don't even have direct access to any of your data, so you have full protection and full ownership of your data. If you'd ever like to receive your data, you will be able to literally request it, and then you'll be able to download it and have it, forwarded through to you. So you own full protection and access to your data, which I think is one of the very important things. So we're not even utilizing your data and sharing it with third parties for advertising and things like that. So you can rest assured that you are in a platform that is safe, and one of the cool, exciting features is that everyone who is subscribing to our paid platform, now getting yourself an annual subscription, you're automatically getting a blue tick verification. I got to say that because a lot of us have always been struggling to get that blue tick. I've tried a lot with many platforms, but you ought to either be a big public figure or celebrity, or someone who's got a lot of followers, but you just can't be verified if you are new on a platform and you like to literally run a legitimate business and build your digital business online. But now you don't get to worry about that, because we have literally created a system that is able to then authenticate you when you are coming in on board. You just submit your FICA documentation, and then now once we have validated your identity, then you are able to be verified within our platform. So this is one of the cool features that we have on our platform, because so many social media platforms, they are literally ranking high with spam profiles, with duplicate profiles. You don't have to worry about someone stealing your content on our platform and duplicating it within our platform, because we've got tools that will protect you from that. And if anyone, howsoever, would ever do something like that, and our AI tools will be able to, detect that, and you can also be able to report. And then once you've reported, then we will be able to shut that, profile if it will ever be created. But as I said to you, we've got very proper authentication models that help you to literally get, onboarded in a very safe manner. Now, I did mention when I started this video that this is a productivity tool. What does that mean? I've created this tool so that you can be able to discover who you are. We've got a very important, tab that helps you deal with your inner self. Now, you go into that, page or tab, then you're able to discover who you are. You're able to discover, your IQ, and do personality tests so that you can really understand what kind of a machine you are, what interests you, what are your, potential interests, what are your strengths, your weaknesses, your threats and opportunities as an individual. And once you've done that, you've understood that, you are literally training your personal AI to be able to give you personalized experiences and interactions within the platform. Now you are able to engage with Socialite, ask Socialite, AI, any question about yourself, about your business, about your interests, about any topic that you like to engage the platform with, and you will be able to get responses that are tailor-made to you, because the AI would have been trained based on who you are, your profile, and then will be able to give you tailor-made, responses to you. Not only that, you are also getting a very fun tab that helps you with creating your own personal vision board. How amazing that! Now you can be able to create a digital vision board. You don't need to have like collage pictures like we used to in the past, where you plug your pictures in a collage board. All your images now are created digitally online. Your digital vision board is there throughout the whole year. You keep on going back and checking it. A lot of successful people are successful because they create a vision board getting into the year. They know what is the visualization of the pictures, of the things that they like to attain, all the experiences that they like to have throughout the year. So create that vision board as you'd wish. Using our AI tools to create these images, you can create as you'd like to. So this is one of the exciting features that will help you become a very productive person, knowing how your vision looks like for the year, or even for the next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. It is entirely up to you. And also, Once you're done with that tab, one of my favorite tools is a tool that helps you, get to understand numerology. Now, numerology is a study of numbers that helps you to understand what certain numbers mean. And not just randomly, but you're able to personalize this to you. So understanding on how you can use your date of birth to fully understand who you are in alignment with numbers and the universe, you can then get to know, what are the opportunities that are before you based on where you were born. This is exciting. So you can get to understand numerology, learn on what it is and how you can apply it in your business, in your personal relationships, and in any aspirations that you'd like to attain. Because obviously, certain numbers mean certain things. So number 1 is a number for leadership. So if your total sum of numerology is a number 1, then you know that you are a born leader, and you now need to start on working on projects that pertains to leadership. And we understand that number 3 speaks to communication. So if you have that in alignment with your numerology, you're someone who needs to be doing something that deals with communication. We know number 4, it's a number for discipline. We know that, all of these different numbers, number 8, number 9, these are the numbers that are able to help you fully get to understand who you are. So you will learn from number 1 to all the way to number 9 what these numbers mean to you. So I know what my number is in numerology and I am excelling in it. So you need to know things such as your life path number and so forth. So get to check it out and you'll then be able to start operating on a different level. Now, once you've done that is astrology, and if you're someone who is into astrology, the study of stars and how these can impact your life, your career, and your success, your personal relationships. If you're looking for love, what is the best day to do so? What encounters that you can have on a day-to-day basis? Sometimes you'd like to start a project, you'd like to get into business, but if numerology and astrology are not aligning with what you want to do in that time or season, then you're not going to become successful. So you got to understand the alignment of the stars and numerology in order to become a successful person. So every business and project that I start and work on, every event, everything that I do, I always check what is numerology saying, what is astrology saying, and then now that is why I'm able to build things that become successful. Because I now have integrated these two in my personal life and also in my business life. Also, if you're someone that would like to get updated with what is happening around the world, we've got a very important feature that is called Aura News, which is a summary of all trending global news from globally. USA, the UK, Canada, everywhere, Greece, Italy, South Africa. You get to be updated with what is happening around the world so that you don't operate, and as an island, you need to be well informed what is happening, especially if you're running an online business. You always need to see what is trending, what is happening in your industry. If it's politics, if it's technology, if you're a celebrity, you need to know what is trending in your niche. We got you. And as I said, anything you're looking for, you will be able to find it, because I'm someone who loves to make money and I love to also spend money. I need to always track my spending. So that is why we've got a tool that is called saving. So we need to see how are you using your money and are you saving. So you need to at least put money away. About 30% is what we recommend, and also give other recommendations on how you can be able to spend the remaining 70%, and you can now use our digital platform to make your savings. No more saving on a diary or on a journal somewhere. You now get to have all your savings trackings digitally, so it is permanently there. It is always with you in your pocket, and you're always able to track it, and you're always able to go there and put your savings goal. It could be a December stock file, it could be saving for a trip to Dubai, it could be saving for a kid's fees for January next year, it could be for a Christmas lunch, it could be for anything. So start saving, go and save money. It could be for a building project. If you want to build at your home, you put it digitally, and then it always gives you a tracker of how much money you've been able to save and how is the graph going. And because it is integrated with AI will always be able to remind you, hey, have you saved? When are you saving again? These are exciting tools that are coming with the platform. So right now I am looking on the platform and it looks so great, and we've got a lot of other features that I want you to have a look at so that you are able to literally get to see what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna be putting it up, just a screenshot of how the interface looks like. And if you'd like to get started, all you've got to do is click on the link in the description or the e-store, and then go to the store, read more about it, and just get your annual subscription, and then start learning more, using it more, and utilizing our AI tool. And now what is also exciting is one of my favorite things. It comes with daily affirmations. You're able to go through the daily affirmation section, and you're now affirming your life. This is one of the successful traits that successful people use. It's a productivity tool. If you'd like to become someone in life, you need to affirm yourself. Start improving your law of attractions. These are some of the tools that you'll get on the platform. We will keep on obviously bringing more exciting tools on the platform based on the feedback that we're getting on the marketplace. There is no platform like this one globally. It's one of its own kind. So when you're a part of Socialite, you get to fully experience this. And what is also nice is the fact that we allow you to, once you've subscribed to the platform, have what we call master resale rights, meaning you can become an affiliate of the project and you share it with your friends, and when they like the features that we have on the platform and then they purchase their subscription, will literally pay you an 80% referral commission, which is an affiliate commission that we pay through to you to say thank you for recommending our platform to your friends. Now they can get to enjoy the features that we have, and you get to be paid just like that. If you like the platform, you share it with others, you share the features that you like. You can create videos, post them on YouTube, talking about the platform, doing a screen recording about what it is and how it works. And when people, they really like what you're showing them, they subscribe, you're getting paid. Now you get to have, one of its kind in the world, a platform that pays you for referring it. So we are always looking for opportunities on how we can be able to empower you, and all of that happens inside Socialite. Now, I think I've been talking a lot. I just want to let you go and get yourself Socialite so that you can also become empowered and be a part of our community. I'm going to catch you on the other side inside Socialite. Let's go get it.